everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Tanya and we're here from Langkawi's, one of the most iconic spots, the Sky Bridge. In this vlog we'll tell you everything you need to know about the Sky Bridge, how we reached here, the amount we paid and the whole experience. So keep watching and
do subscribe. So we have got the tickets. Basically we got the ticket right in front of the main entrance only, and he told us that if you're going inside and getting a ticket, there's a long queue, so that was easy for us, and the price is same. So yes,
there is a queue. You check.
Yeah, there was a queue. There is a queue also. So it's a very beautiful place. They have created an entire ecosystem with respect to your, there's a restaurant, there's a place for kids to play. Oh, and then there is 7-Eleven as well. I mean, why not?
I feel it is very similar to Bana Hills in Vietnam.
Huh, yes.
Like a mini version of that.
Correct.
Because that is huge.
Oi. Oh, there's a lot of fish. So on the right hand side there's the ticket counter. The queue is still there, and on the left hand side we can go directly. They have given a digital ticket to us, so that's the best part, that we can go. That's what happens. So now we are waiting for line. We have got Skywalk. Now we get a lecture. Once we are back in hotel, I'm gonna get a big lecture.
Okay, 3%, you can proceed.
Okay.
No, turning on the camera.
Camera is off actually.
After that you close back.
Yes, yes. So this is basically क्या होगा बीच में चलने से? Going to Sky Bridge, basically the most scenic place in Malaysia, one of the scenic places in
We'll
Malaysia.
take another cable car up there.
Yes,
But pehle there was a
And
line
that-
till here.
yeah.
It's not anymore.
that cable car is gonna take there. You can see people are there. So what we're gonna go now and see. I mean, this place is actually very at a very nice height, I would say. The air was so cold. I liked it.
You remember Bana Hills from Vietnam had a hole.
Oh,
it had,
seriously, the clouds.
Clouds coming.
Clouds coming.
It was even high.
Seriously.
I think it is somewhat the same because that also had a bridge as well.
Right. Okay, so after reaching at the top, ये हाथ में We should remove the system. It looks like we are coming from mental asylum.
Where's the line?
So now we are going to Skybridge. Yeah, through the nature trail.
Page 6.
We are paying the cost. We are paying 6 RM to walk. Oh my
And
god.
it's okay now, but when we have to go back up, then it will be the real test.
The real test begins there.
Literally everybody who's passing us is like moving so fast.
I mean, the steps are not even as well because some steps are very steep, some are very narrow, some are just like lying there. Reached after 328 steps, the Sky Bridge.
Yeah.
This place is actually, it's very iconic. If somebody has seen Dhoom, sorry, not Dhoom, Dawn. Dawn, in which Shah Rukh Khan was there. So in that particular movie, this was the place where he threw.
Where he threw a bag of money. I've been told, I haven't watched the movie, but Rishabh told me he threw a bag of money like this, and I was impressed.
Yes. Infrastructure was just built in 16 months. Can you imagine 16
Google
months?
says it's an engineering marvel,
Exactly, it is.
and the pole is so like tall. It's
Man, can you
starting
see
right at the bottom
pole?
there, and it's so scary.
That's-
It's so tall.
It's a whole jungle. That's a sea, mountain, and this comes down over here, all the here. Only I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cables are
8
there.
cables.
And these 8 cables are holding this particular area, this Sky Bridge, and this is so damn awesome.
Oh, and pro tip, if you're coming here, we would 100% recommend coming after 5 PM because the crowds have like almost vanished. There are just like 4 or 5 people,
Actually.
and it's like empty all the way, so you'll get a lot of good photos and videos in the place, mostly to yourself. So yeah, come after 5:15ish.
Yeah, so you can come here at the sunset time. So the crowd will be very, very less. You'll get ample of time to just slow it down because it closes at 8 PM. 8 PM, right?
He told 8 PM.
8 PM. But from 7:30 it starts because the man behind us is shouting.
After 7:30 it will start getting dark anyway, so
Yeah.
I don't know about the views, but
But this is very awesome. Very, very
and it started to
spectacular.
get a bit chilly, which is
Yeah,
good.
it's cold now. This is, I mean, it feels like the tradition is always on. And
We're always climbing or trekking or hiking or doing some sort of manual work. Hard work.
we try to avoid it, but the nature seems to be like, no, Rishabh and Tanya, you have to. What the f? The steps are so high.
वहाँ बैठ जा रहे oh my god.
If people are watching my vlog, then definitely they also get to know. And please guys, subscribe our channel. So a lot of hard work goes, you know, after working we have to edit as well. So yeah, if you're subscribed, thank you so much. Yes, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and follow us for more